Hey everyone, it's Lisa, and today I'm going to be making some cute Christmas trees. From Dollar Tree, I've purchased this garland. You'll need 2 packs. You'll be using a partial of the second pack. These tree cones came from Hobby Lobby, 2 different sizes. 1 tube of ornaments from Dollar Tree. You'll need ribbon to make some bows like this one here. Got this tinsel garland at Walmart. I'm not usually into tinsel, but I thought this tinsel garland was adorable. You'll need some more ribbon for the center of your bows. And more tinsel from Walmart. Okay, so this is how I make my bows. I get my zip tie and the ribbon for the center of the bow, and I make an awareness sign. And from here, I take the zip tie and I wrap it around the bow and secure it. You want to play with your bow to make it just the shape that you want. Make it a little tighter. Then play with it some more. Make it the shape that you're desiring. And then once you get to the point where you like your bow, you want to secure it by pulling it tight and then cutting off the end of the zip tie. Next, you're going to get your glue gun and your ribbon and glue that ribbon down the center of your bow all the way around. And there you have it, a cute little bow. And I made about 17 of these per tree. So you're going to want to also trim those ends off, the tails, so it's nice and even. There you have it, all the bows you need for your trees. Aren't they cute? So take your tree cone and start wrapping your pine garland all the way around. Hot glue stick. Took me a while, so I definitely wanted to fast forward this part. But wrap all the way up till you get to the top. Near the top, you're going to need your second roll of garland. And from there, you're only going to need about a foot, maybe 2 feet of that. Wrap it up, and boom. Isn't it pretty? Love how it turned out just as is. Okay, now grab your ornaments and start taking the gold tops off. You're going to be using the entire pack of ornaments to cover this tree. And when you're gluing them on, just remember that you're going to be putting bows in between, so keep that in mind as you're doing your placement for your ornaments. After all of your ornaments are glued on, go ahead and glue on all of your bows too. I love the way this turned out. I think it's so cute, a little bit of country. Now take your garland and wrap it around loosely. You don't want it so loose that it's sticking way out, but you don't want it tight, because if it's tight, it kind of gets sucked in by the garland and, by the pine, and then you can't really see it too well. So wrap that around, and when you get to the base, you're going to just hook it around the other garland. Okay, so with your smaller of the tree cones, a 17-inch, you're going to get the ribbon from Dollar Tree and cut it into the height of the tree, and then cut those strips into half. You're going to do little strips down the sides because it covers better, and this ribbon matches the bows that you put on your big tree. Alright, take your strips of ribbon, glue them on, starting at the base, glue the back side of the ribbon, lay it over the tree, and press it down. Do this 1 strip at a time until your whole tree is covered. So your last step is to take your green garland and hot glue it at the top. Wrap around your entire tree. Make some adjustments along the way. Wrap around the base. Cut with scissors and secure it with your hot glue. That's it. Look how cute this turned out.